Question 21, functions. This is fx, and we're asked to plot fx minus 4. Well, the adjustment of -4 is nowhere near the value of x. So this is a y transformation, and what we've done is just pulled the value of every y value of the original fx down by 4. So this point here, dropped by 4, will be here. That point at +1 will come down to there. Similarly there, similarly there. So all these are y adjustments. There is no adjustment to x whatsoever. So if we join the line up, that will be your answer to part A. So on this second grid, to answer part B, let me redraw the original fx. So our adjustment is in x. This is going to be a horizontal transformation, and we're going to take every x value and flip its sign. So if we take this point here, its x value is -3. So this will go to +3 as an x value, and the y value won't change at all. So that point migrates to here. -2, +1 y value, +1 y value is unaltered, but it migrates to +2. And you can see the other point will be there, and 0 remains unchanged. So joining those lines up, you get that as your answer.